Hello, my name is Nick Huber. Thank you for looking at my self-storage consulting options. Just wanted to give you a little bit of color on what to expect. If you pay for the consulting, the first thing I do is share with you a Google folder that looks like this. It's got everything that's basically in my toolbox on operating, doing due diligence, underwriting, and structuring a self-storage deal. So it starts with some homework to do before the call. I ask you to look at the deal you're looking at and fill in the cash flow projection model inside the Google Sheet so that we can accurately underwrite the deal on the call. Sometimes we can underwrite 2 deals on a call if you're looking at 2. But basically you get this folder shared with you. It's a big model, my deal docs, my operational method, and 3 versions of a cash flow document. You use cash flow document number 1. This is where you do some homework, fill in your unit mix, fill in what they're charging now, fill in what you think they can charge after, and get us some basic expense stuff. After that, we get on a call for 1 hour. We do Zoom together, and we pull up that cash flow document and we underwrite it. We figure out what we think it's worth to you, and get you in a position where you feel comfortable making an offer. We talk about your financial situation, how you might structure the deal, how you might find investors, how you might talk to a banker, and what you think you can do with it. Now, I'm not an expert and it's not legal advice, so you need to do additional research beyond our call, but my goal is to get it so that you can walk away from our call and confidently put an offer in on a self-storage facility and attack that self-storage facility with confidence once it's time to operate. My goal is also to make sure you can underwrite future deals. We do enough talking on our call, and I actually record it as well on Zoom, and I drop it right in this folder when we're done. We do enough talking after the call so that you can underwrite a deal yourself in the future. That's the goal. And several of the people who have hired me to get consulting have bought multiple self-storage facilities. And I think that one of the first people to hire me has now bought 6 self-storage facilities and is full-time self-storage investor. So that's what we're going to do. If you want to hire me, go ahead and email me, nick@boltstorage.com. We can get the ball rolling. Thank you.